Hello friends, welcome to my channel Happy Mind Speaking. Recently we traveled to Birmingham just to have a relaxed weekend and couple of days off. While we were in Birmingham, we visited few of the attractions. In my today's video, I am going to take you to the most famous Cadbury World attraction that we visited and I hope you will enjoy. UK provides a very good public transportation facility. You need not to worry about buying a ticket every time that you get into the bus. They also have a day pass system where you can tap and go. It has a cap limit of £4 in Birmingham so that you will be charged only £4 at the end of the day. So friends, we started our day early today and we are heading to Cadbury World. We had to change two buses. Now we are in the second bus. We are excited to reach the Cadbury World. As we are approaching Cadbury World, we are already feeling chocolatey. You know why? Because all the bus stops nearby, fences, signal boards are color coded with blue and yellow and white. Doesn't it feel good? Visiting the Cadbury World was in my checklist since a very long time, so I'm really excited to be here. So as soon as we get into the bus stop, we have to walk for 5 minutes. So it's really easy to find out where the Cadbury World is because everywhere you can see the signs and it's like self-explanatory. Finally, we are at Cadbury World. I'm already feeling amazing. We booked the ticket online. It's £18 per head. You can also add experiences like character dining and afternoon tea. It's almost a full day experience. I would say it has lot of places that may interest you, mainly the 21 places. They have listed everything on the board. You can go through it and you can skip many of them as well. As soon as you enter here, you will see the ticket counter where you can get the tickets, as well as the cafe on the other side and the biggest Cadbury shop. We can get all type of Cadbury chocolate items. We are so excited that we are 1 hour early already, so we just going to explore cafe and the Cadbury shop for some time, and then we are going to see the attractions. I would say it's a heaven for chocolate lovers. You can see all type of chocolates as well as goodies like hot chocolate powder, pen, pencil, bags, goodies and mugs. I would highly recommend the parents to go and visit this shop with your kids. It's definitely something exciting to your kids. Not only for the kids, even for us, it's kind of recreational and amazing experience. After filling our bags with lots of goodies, it's time to stuff our tummy with delicious food. We ordered some pizza and milkshakes. I would highly recommend you to try milkshakes here to taste the authenticity of the milkshakes. So friends, now we are headed towards to see the attractions. We got 6 chocolates to enjoy during our journey. Once the journey is started, the first thing you will notice is this history about chocolate and the coffee bean. Basically, it takes you to all the way back to the ancient history from where these coffee beans are found, how they are processed, and also you will see a lot of kiosks that's installed. You can just find the information about this illustration in this kiosk as well. As we move further, we will learn a lot about Cadbury Brothers, how they deal with the initial days, how they progressed with this Cadbury brand. We also see movies and the illustration. Cadbury journey is truly inspirational. They show all these things via big screens and moving chairs. There are ancient methods and ancient machines are installed. You can see how the tampering was made initially. As you move forward towards the next exhibition, you can also see this history of this Cadbury and the factory, as well as how they educated and empowered girls, and also they supported sports and education in the workers' day-to-day life. Next interesting thing that we did is learning the ancient tampering technique. This is how the tampering is done. They spread this chocolate to try for everyone in this table. They also gave some spatula and the knife. They will demonstrate how this tampering is done. We have to follow the instruction and try this tampering, and it's really engaging and fun activity. Next fun activity that we enjoyed a lot is writing name and writing anything on this floor using liquid chocolates. If you are someone like me who would like to collect memories, I would highly recommend you to go to this green screen. They have some poses, that you can pose in front of the camera. You can select before you posing to the camera. Once you select, they will ask you to pose accordingly. For example, coming out of the egg, or running a marathon. Once you do that pose, they will click a picture and they will hand out those pictures of 10 or 20 pounds at the end of your journey. It's something really interesting and that you can save as a memory. Friends, this is one of the amazing experience we have had. No matter what age you are into, you will definitely enjoy this one. This is Kadabra ride. These small open cars will come. You need to sit and relax. This will go into a tunnel filled with lots of chocolatey experience. This is something amazing. They will also click beautiful picture of you can claim at the end of your journey. After enjoying Kadabra ride and collecting our pictures, we are now headed towards chocolate making section. This is the stage where we can really experience the chocolate making and chocolate tasting. So these are the small cups where they will fill the chocolates of our choices. They also have the allergy advice, and accordingly we can choose. We choose liquid chocolate and chocolate buttons. They were so amazing. We enjoyed a lot. You know what is other amazing thing? You can also order teapot or your chocolate bars filled with your names or wishes. You can also gift it to somebody you love. One of the staff from Cadbury World was showing us how these chocolates were made. He was showing us and explaining us how these chocolates were made. He was using this mold and tempered chocolate cream. He was putting all those cream into these molds, trying to remove the air bubble and giving the shape and putting into the freezer. As we move on, we enjoyed a lot of character entertainment. This gorilla was beating the drum. I think it was robotic, and it was like kind of funny to see all these things. There were many games that you can enjoy throughout the days within this area. We finished most of the attractions inside, and we are now outside to see some of the attractions. There is a 4D ride and a circus, and there are some other magics as well. So now we are going to wait in a queue to see this 4D magic. This big children's play area is totally engaging. Children were enjoying like anything. People are also sitting and relaxing there with their coffee and chocolates. We are now headed towards 4D tour and see what else we can cover today. In order to enter into this 4D chocolate tour, you need to wait at least half an hour. Once you enter, you will also see this chocolate news, which is amazing. They will give these glasses to you and they will show you the place where you can sit and enjoy the ride. This 4D chocolate tour is amazing. It will definitely make you relax and enjoy a little bit more this experience. There were also few more attractions that could visit, however we decided to end our day with all these activities. This is one of the amazing experience that we had in UK, and I would highly recommend you to visit with your family and friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching this Cadbury World experience. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram for more food, travel and lifestyle related updates.